Okay, we're doing our driving lesson, and we're gonna do a quick lesson on how to change lanes. So whenever it's safe, go ahead and change lanes to the right. Good job. So the student turned on her signal to the right, and then she looked over her right shoulder to make sure to check the blind spots. And when it was safe, she proceeded to move to the right lane. Good job. She did very well on that one. So if you notice the distance from one car to another, that's a really good distance. You can see both of the rear tires on the road of the car in front of you. That's very nice. And notice how gently she stopped. Smooth stop, smooth acceleration. Very nice. When it is safe, go ahead and take your left lane, change lane to the left. There you go. She did it again. She looked over her left shoulder. She turned on her signals, looked over her left shoulder, and when it was safe, she changed lanes. Good job. So that's our lesson, one part of our lesson today. Like I said, we're on our way to the DMV so that she can get familiar with the routes that she will be taking once she takes her driving test. Okay. So notice how she's smoothly stopping on a stop sign, stoplight. Good job. All right, till next lesson.